Hey y'all, welcome to 3D Print Hub in Garland, Texas, your store for all things 3D printed. We do commercial additive manufacturing and design as well as individual custom designs. You can get a quote through our website at www.3dprinthubs.com. Stop by the store and see what's new. We would love to meet you. Continue watching to see what we do. Now let's check out what's new today. Here we are. Welcome to 3D Print Hub, y'all. The storefront in Garland, Texas. We're coming in to start the day.
All right, so we got everything restarted. These ones all going. If you can't tell, I am a Creality fan. These ones are going. So these little trash can things. So the little trash can things are for Dallas Community College. They're having an event this Saturday. They wanted 50 of them in total, 25 green, 25 black. So we've almost got them ready. They're coming today to pick them up at about 3 o'clock. And they're almost ready. We got 20 of the green and 18 of the black so far. So almost there. So we've got all the little boxes done for the Dallas Community College. All right, so those ones are all done, but they called in or sent an email in yesterday wanting some other items printed. So we've got 4 of these. So we've got 2 of them done. We got to get 2 more going so they can pick them up this afternoon.
We're new to creating this kind of content, so please share your feedback in the comments. Let us know what you'd like to see, or how can we make our videos more engaging. If you enjoyed this content, please hit like, subscribe, and share. Also, check out our website for more information. Better yet, mosey on down to 3D Print Hub store in Garland to introduce yourself. Thanks for watching, and hope to see y'all in the next one. Printing, always printing.